Safety video, take one. We hope to inform you via every media possible to be safe. Any information we give you should be used as a guide, but don't think that there's not more information out there, maybe better information. We encourage you to be safe. We encourage you to look up regulations, employment specifications, insurance regulations, OSHA regulations, local codes for transporting tools to and from a work site, the web, your local personal insurance providers. All right, first thing we got to talk about when we talk about safety is the fact that we drive. We drive a lot. Most of us spend more time in our vehicle than we do in our homes. We have a lot we need to do while we're driving. We need to spend extra time being safe. One of the best things you can do for yourself and those around you, watching out for your safety, is to minimize your distractions. Check your work orders before you leave the job, at stoplights, not while you're driving. Minimize your phone calls. You know, with dispatch, you have to spend time on the radio. But try to minimize or eliminate distractions. It takes a whole lot less time to stop, pull over, check a map or a work order, call for directions, than it does to stop and deal with an accident. Forget about the time, forget about work for a moment. Think of your families. Think of the families of anybody that you might be involved with if you got in an accident. One of the important things about driving is make sure your vehicle's set up safely. Have your vehicle inspected. Make sure your tires and brakes are good. Make sure your ladders are tied on with an approved method of fastening. In an accident, bungee cords, stretch and brake, copper wire, brakes, cable brakes. You need a web tied down strap designed to take the load, a chain with a lock, a cable with a lock, a cable lock. Unless your ladder rack is like a van's with a side loader which has its own mechanical hold down, you need to provide some form of mechanically fastening your ladder to the ladder rack. The ladder rack also needs to be properly secured to the truck. I know some of the ladder racks are heavy and you don't think they're going to move, but in an impact you'd be surprised.